Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This property has a newly constructed 2-bedroom house. It is located in the salubrious Robins Bay. It is quite close to Kingston via the junction and could offer a nice weekend escape location for unwinding. The house is positioned with sweeping views of the beautiful Robins Bay coastline and the Caribbean Sea. The land area of this house is approximately 10,842 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 200,000 or Jamaican $30.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.